The vultures are very important birds to the environment. They help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. That is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Now, unfortunately, some of them are rapidly declining in the wild. For example, did you know that the white-backed vultures are critically endangered? That's right. As for the Asian vulture species, the slender-billed, red-headed, and the white-rumped vultures are facing extinction in the wild. By the way, we do have good news to share with all of you. Now, recently in countries such as India and Cambodia have officially banned the distribution and use of veterinary medicine containing diclofenac, a substance which poses a fatal risk to vultures. The vultures are exposed to this substance from corpses of animals, especially cattle which have ingested diclofenac previously, which can be found in medicine used to treat animals. Now, research has proven that vultures have a strong reaction to diclofenac, which can be fatal. Therefore, this ban has been phenomenal to preserve the vulture population and to prevent these birds from becoming extinct. It is in
Diyan Mai.
Oh, this is eyelashes. So pretty.
Ồ, xí cho đồng tạo.
Udarani.
네, 오래.
와,腰nice。
说要狗狗姐姐拍你的，拍他背，他拍前面，你拍背。是要住。说狗狗姐姐。哇，you take a nice picture. Okay.
头发好像鸡毛膏嘛。คุณนี่แต่การนี้คุณจะกดกี่ปีเสีย
头上有个冠。